In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord error codes 50147 and 50012. This error occurs when you try to connect your social media accounts to Discord, such as Reddit, YouTube, and so on. Let me give you quick fixes you can try. First thing you can try is to restart your device. Give your device a fresh reboot and try. If that doesn't work, try the solution number 2. Turn off your VPN. If you have an active VPN, make sure that is off, and then you can try. What else you can try is to clear your Discord cache. If you have an iPhone, try turning off iCloud Private Relay. That usually causes the most issue with this error. You can also try to connect your social media accounts with a PC browser or installed PC Discord program. So you can open a Discord program just like, go to discord.com and then you log in, or you can use the program on your PC. Just go to settings and then you go to connections, and then you can pick any social media app you want to connect to. Those are the ways you can try to fix the error codes.